Hello dear friends, this is Laboratory's YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss a cue card. Describe a resolution you made in the new year. Now let's begin with the cue card. Describe a resolution you made in the new year. When you speak on this cue card, you have to cover the following cues. You should say what is the resolution, how will you complete it, how you feel about it, and why you made this resolution. Now, let's begin with the sample answer for this cue card. Well, almost everyone likes to make resolutions for the new year so they can achieve certain targets in the coming year. Here, I would like to talk about one particular resolution that I made last new year, which is cycling. Actually, I decided to improve my fitness level by starting cycling every day. Fortunately, I am keeping this one. Unlike other resolutions that I broke just after a few days in the past, I go cycling with my best friend David every day in the morning or evening. We usually go towards the outskirts because of the fresh air and green fields. I have to say, I feel relaxed by spending 1 hour doing cycling. The main reason for this resolution is that recently I gained a lot of weight due to my sedentary lifestyle and bad eating habits. Then, my friend David motivated me to change myself in order to lead a healthy lifestyle and improve my fitness. I think it was the best thing I have ever done in my life because now I can feel myself more productive and active. I also use a fitness band to keep track of my performance. At the same time, it helps me monitor the number of calories and heart rate. Moreover, I stopped consuming junk food every day. Now, I only eat once in a while. I hope that I will be able to follow this routine and will successfully complete my resolution by the end of the year. So this was the sample answer for this cue card. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and do follow us for more videos. We live on following social media websites. We live on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Do follow us there for latest updates. Thank you for being here.